Okay, so far with eBay, we have covered what their fees are. Then we talked about your materials for shipping and things. So now I'm going to show you my photo studio, which is my bedroom. You don't need anything fancy to take pictures. Now, I've got a window here, so I've got good direct sunlight coming in, which is really important to get good pictures. I have a blanket on the end of my bed, and lots of times I will just stretch things out here and kind of hold my camera up over and take the pictures. I use my phone to take the pictures. If I want a little bit different background, I have white poster board. Just lay that here, take the pictures. If I want it on a dark background, I've got this velvet top, and I will just stretch that out, and I'll take my pictures on the black. So again, doesn't have to be anything fancy. Things you will need though, okay? A ruler. It's really important when you're taking pictures that you show what the size of something is. You want to put that in your description, but showing a ruler next to it, easier for people to understand. If I'm doing a piece of clothing, I'll do a tape measure and I'll show, what it is across the waist. I'll write it down, but I'll show what it is from the shoulder to the base of the piece of whatever clothing it is. If it's an inseam, you want to do that. So you'll need a little tape measure for that. Now, if it's something that I want kind of up on something to take a picture of, this is just my dresser, this is my mirror. I just have an old sheet, flat sheet, that I put across the mirror so that it doesn't reflect in the room. But I can put whatever it is I want to take a picture of. If it's something smaller, or like I had a hat that I have on sale for eBay, I put that on here on a little stand so that you could get better pictures of it. It's really important you take as many pictures as you can. They'll let you put up to 10 for free. For instance, like I have a pair of shoes for sale. Well, then what I will do is I will take pictures of one side, the other side, the front, the heels, the underside of them, the box, the information on the box. As many pictures as you can is really important, because then no one's going to come back and say, well, wait a minute, I got these in the bottom of them. They're very worn. You said they weren't worn much. You have all of that documented. So that's really important. So once you've taken your pictures, it's time to keep your notes. So I just have a little tablet and a pen. So I will write for myself what the item is. For instance, this is a vintage beaded purse that I had. So I've taken my pictures for that. It's in a little bit of bubble wrap. I always find a box before I list anything. I don't list anything on eBay unless I've already got a box that fits it. So I'll take this box, and I have a little scale here. Now, you can get scales now, and they're digital. This one's really old. So this is just an old postage scale. So I just put it on there, and I make a note. And it's not quite a pound, but I know that till I put a little packaging in there and everything, it's going to be a pound. So I'll make that note on here that it's a pound. And then what I do, take my tape measure, and you just measure what is the width of the box this way, width of the box this way, and the depth of the box. And that you're all going to note, so that when you sit down to actually do your listing, you've got all your information right there. So you're going to need everything that you can possibly put. Color, size, if it's clothing or shoes or anything like that, where it's from. Just the more information you can put in your listing, the better. So that's basically, this is my photo studio. I also will hang things on the door if it's a top or something like that, so that I get a nice picture of what the piece of clothing is. But anything else, I just lay on my bed and take a picture there, because I've got good light in here. And if I have to, if I want something on a raised thing, you could do a cardboard box and just cover this with a tablecloth or something, so that, it's just a nice area to take your pictures. Because the better your pictures are, the better your chances are of selling.